Hey guys, I'm just putting a video together here. I wanted to highlight my buddy Mike Gucciardo's ex Hot Street Mustang. It's a 310-inch 4-speed with a G-force transmission, wheel-standing Mustang. It's the first time I finally got to see the car in person run. I've known Mike for quite a while on Facebook, and he worked at one of the parts warehouses. Great guy, absolutely. Him and his dad are just two great people. But to see this car in person and see this car run is just cool. So I just figured you guys would like to see it as much as I like to see it. So enjoy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And just please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and check out all the other videos below. Okay? Peace.